In emergency situations, every second makes a difference. That's why the new generation of autonomous drone systems is transforming how emergency services and field operations are conducted. DJI Dock and Drone Harmony enable automated drone takeoff directly from a vehicle. Fast, safe, and without wasting valuable time. In combination with Drone Harmony, it is possible to predefine autonomous missions, precisely plan flight routes, and monitor the situation in real time. The biggest advantage? The pilot does not need to be on site. The mission can be controlled remotely, from anywhere in the world. Autonomous technology, smart planning, and instant response are opening a completely new dimension of aerial operations. Request a demo or learn more at Drone Harmony.